It is my immense honor to welcome you to BAPS Swaminarayan Akshardham, a place that speaks not just to one region or one faith, but to the soul of humanity. Swaminarayan Akshardham is a sanctuary where people from all walks of life, from all parts of the world, come to search for something deeper, a moment of peace, a connection to the divine and to their own faith, or simply a sense of belonging.
I would like to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude to the esteemed Consuls Generals and Consuls from 14 different countries who have honored us with their presence here today.
We were in conversation with some of the volunteers here, some of the leadership here, and we thought what better a way than to bring the Consuls General representing different geographies. They come up from different religions, they come from various faiths. Nothing could be better than getting them here to Akshardham to represent coming together of humanity.
I believe that as diplomats, we're here to advocate peace, interfaith, and that can only be done through a greater understanding of religions from all over the world.